In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. This process is simple, and it's a great way to keep your important emails organized and backed up securely in the cloud. First, log into your Microsoft account. This step is important because you will be using both Outlook and OneDrive, which are connected through Microsoft. Once you're logged in, click the App Launcher icon, the grid icon in the top left corner. From the list of apps, select Outlook. This will open your inbox. Now, choose the email or emails you want to save. Select them carefully, especially the ones you want to keep for future use. Next, look for the three dots in the toolbar to open the More Options menu. From there, click Download as MSG. This will download the selected email or emails to your computer in the MSG format. After downloading the file, it's time to move to OneDrive. Open OneDrive by going back to the App Launcher or typing OneDrive in your browser and logging in. In OneDrive, go to My Files and then choose the folder where you want to save your emails. You can select an existing folder or create a new one for email backups. Once you're inside the folder, click Upload, then select Files Upload. A File Explorer window will open. Find the MSG file you downloaded earlier, select it, and click Open to upload. Once the upload is complete, your email is now safely stored in OneDrive. You can access it anytime from any device. And that's how you save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.